Arrive in style with this 2012 GMC Yukon XL Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: seats second-row captain's chairs with leather-pointed seating, 2, sun entertainment and destinations package, sunroof, power tilt sliding with express open and close and wind deflector, assist steps, power retractable, LPO 20 inches, entertainment system, rear seat DVD player, DVD screen, third row, engine Vortex 6.2L variable valve timing V8 SFI, steel gray metallic and Denali preferred equipment group. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.